Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, I am going to explore the cellular level of organization. In this video we look at the cell structure as well as its functions. We also study which major organelles make up cell of human body. So let's start the topic. First we need to know what is a cell. A cell is the smallest unit of life that can replicate independently. It's a tiny, membrane-bound structure that contains all the necessary components for life. Cells are the basic building blocks of all living organisms, from bacteria to humans. Since a cell is a membrane-bounded structure, so now look at the membrane of cell which surround the cell. The cell membrane, also known as the plasma membrane, is the outermost layer of the cell. It's a semi-permeable membrane that regulates the movement of materials in and out of the cell. Semi-permeable means it has ability to allow only specific or selected materials to move into the cell and move out of cell. Structural composition of cell. The cell membrane is composed of a phospholipid bilayer, with embedded proteins that help maintain its structure and function. This was all about simple overview of cell. The cell is composed of several organelles, each with its own unique function. The cytoplasm is the jelly-like substance within the cell membrane, containing various organelles, proteins, and other molecules. Now, let's start exploring the different organelles found in a cell. We'll begin with the nucleus. The nucleus is the control center of the cell, containing most of the cell's genetic material in the form of DNA. It's like the brain of the cell, directing all the cellular activities. Next up is the mitochondria, the powerhouses of the cell. These organelles generate energy for the cell through cellular respiration. Without mitochondria, our cells wouldn't be able to function properly. Endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is a network of membranous tubules and cisternae that synthesize and transport proteins and lipids. It's like a transportation system within the cell. Ribosomes. Ribosomes are small organelles found throughout the cytoplasm, responsible for protein synthesis. They read the genetic instructions in the mRNA and assemble amino acids into proteins. Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus is a complex of flattened sacs and tubules that process and modify proteins and lipids synthesized by the ER. It's like a packaging and shipping department within the cell. Lysosomes. Lysosomes are membrane-bound sacs containing digestive enzymes that break down and recycle cellular waste and foreign substances. They're like the cell's recycling center. Centrioles. Centrioles are small, cylindrical organelles involved in the formation of cilia, flagella, and the spindle fibers that separate chromosomes during cell division. Peroxisomes. Peroxisomes are small organelles containing enzymes that break down fatty acids and amino acids. Cytoskeleton. Finally, we have the cytoskeleton, a network of protein filaments that provides structural support, shape, and movement to the cell. That's it for today's video on cellular level of organization, focusing on cell structure and organelles. I hope you learned something new and interesting. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more biology videos.